Hi everybody, welcome to Qriodesk, and in this video we will be deriving the equation of motion, and that's v equals u plus at, the first one, with the graphical method. So we have a graph here. So this is a velocity time graph where we plot the velocity in the y-axis and the time in the x-axis. Okay, so here we will be plotting the velocity in this axis and time in this axis, this way. And let us suppose a body begins its motion with an initial velocity, that is u, right? We represent the initial velocity by u, with an initial velocity of u. Okay, and then it goes on as the time increases. Okay, goes on and on. The velocity also increases, and it reaches a velocity of v, which is the final velocity. Okay, so for example, when t is equals to 0, when time is 0, when t equals 0, velocity, that is initial, which is equals to u, and when t is equals to t, that is here. Okay, when t is equals to t, here t equals 0, right? Then velocity, that is final, will become v, right? Okay, so this is v, and this part is u. Okay, and if you calculate this distance, it is v minus u. This is v minus u, and this is exactly that here. This is a v minus u, right? And the bottom here, this one is time. And now we know that the slope of this graph, if we calculate the slope of this line, we get acceleration. The slope of velocity time graph gives you acceleration. So let's write here. We know slope of vt graph gives acceleration. That is, a is equals to slope of this line. Suppose this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. Slope of AB, and we know the slope is equals to perpendicular or base, or sometimes they even use tan theta. Usually this angle is theta, so tan theta, which is equals to perpendicular by base, turns permanently black. Here the perpendicular is this one, which is v minus u, and the base is this one, which is t. Now let's sum it up. That is, a is equals to v minus u upon t. Now let's cross multiply it here. A times t is equals to v minus u. This implies at. You take the u on the other side of equal to, negative u becomes positive u here, and here we have v, or we can say that v is equals to u plus at. That's it. It's fairly simple.